Beginner Investing Tips 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mindful Minds and Money. I'm Felix, and today I'm sharing beginner investing tips for 2025, including lessons I've learned firsthand this year. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Beginner Investing Tips 2025 Real Experience. Simple tips. Let's go! Inflation rises markets. Fall AI stock surge 2025 has been wild AI, inflation market swings. But even if you're starting with just £5, there are smart ways to begin investing today. Don't time the market. Start with what you have. Tip 1. Start with an emergency fund. Before investing, build an emergency fund, at least 6 months of expenses. Trust me, it saved me when the markets dipped this year. Emergency fund =. First investment goal, 6-12 months of living expenses. Tip 2. Invest consistently. I set up weekly automatic transfers into my index fund. This method, called dollar cost averaging, helps smooth out market ups and downs. £10 a week is better than £0 forever. Invest time into research. Tip 3. Stick to index funds and ETFs. Don't overcomplicate. I started with a total market ETF and a bond fund. They're low cost and spread across hundreds of companies. S&P 500 ETF bond ETFs =. Stability. Diversify smart, not wide. Tip 4. Diversify carefully. Once had too much in tech stocks. Now I balance with dividend stocks, bonds, and a bit of international exposure. Tech plus bonds plus international =. Stability, not all eggs in one basket. Tip 5. Match strategy to your goals. If you're young, go growth heavy. If retirement is close, lean on safer options. Your age plus risk tolerance =. Your strategy. Long-term =. More stocks, short-term =. More bonds. Tip 6. Keep learning. I dedicate 20 minutes a week to learning. Investopedia, YouTube, and books helped me understand my investments. Knowledge grows compound too. Read, watch, listen to finance tutorials. Tip 7. Ignore the noise. Politics, trends, crypto hype, it's all distracting. I've learned to ignore the noise and stick to the plan. Discipline beats prediction. Mute the panic. Trust the process. My real lessons: I didn't start with much, but I started. I stayed consistent. Weekly investing no matter what. I rebalanced twice this year to stay on track. And I learned so much. Learning is the best ROI. Start small. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Top UK stocks under £1 to watch in 2025. Here are some UK stocks trading under £1 in 2025 that are getting attention, plus the essentials you need to assess them wisely. Top stock picks. Begbies. Trainer Group, AIM, Beg. 0.92 a leading business recovery and insolvency services firm. It's well positioned amid economic pressures as UK companies face financial difficulties. Trades under £1 and showed a modest +5% gain recently. Vanel Holdings, AM Vanel, 0.38 a debt-free geotechnical ground engineering contractor, trading at around 65% below fair value, and it's benefiting from construction and rail infrastructure projects. Eurasia Mining plc, AMEUA, 0.06 focused on platinum group metal mining in Russia. Recently gained 7% due to interest in precious metals. Extremely cheap but high risk. Craven House Capital, LSE CRV, 0.15 diversified investment holding company. Young resurgence plus 10% modest market cap £4.8 pounds. Worth watching on deep value grounds. DP Aircraft, I Limited, LSE DPA. 0.05 owns Boeing 787 aircraft, leasing to airlines. Small gain plus 3% tied to aviation recovery. Very speculative, risk to consider. Penny stocks are highly volatile, often with low liquidity. Prone to pump and dump schemes, so only invest money you can afford to lose. Many operate in niche sectors or emerging markets. Careful due diligence is a must. Smart investing tips. Diversify. Don't put everything into one penny stock. Do your homework. Review financial health, debt levels, cash flow. Use limit orders. Helps avoid excessive slippage in thin markets. Go slow. Treat these as a small speculative slice of your portfolio. Broader Outlook, UBS, recently recommended UK stocks due to attractive valuations and stability, though their picks include larger firms like Admiral and Smith and Nephew. Penny stocks carry greater risk, but may offer high reward opportunities if chosen with care. Bottom line, under £1 yes, but proceed with caution. Top cryptocurrencies under £1 with growth potential in 2025. Here are some cryptocurrencies trading below £1 in 2025 that show strong potential for growth. These range from meme tokens with community support to enterprise-grade blockchain platforms. Top picks under £1 Dogecoin, Doge, 0.15 pence to 0.16 pence, the original meme token with strong retail interest. Formed a bullish technical pattern suggesting possible breakout. Highly speculative but historically strong community support. Hedera, HBAR, 0.14 pence enterprise-grade public ledger with support from major companies like Google and IBM. Uses hashgraph technology for faster, more secure transactions. Stellar, XLM, 0.20 pence designed for fast, cheap cross-border payments. Partnered with banks and fintechs to improve global financial transfers. VeChain, VET, 0.02 pence, a blockchain focused on supply chain logistics with real-world clients including BMW and Walmart China. Offers clear business utility. Sonic, S0.40 pence high-speed layer, one blockchain designed for instant dApp use and microtransactions. A promising infrastructure play. Potherium, Poth, 0.03 pence community meme token supporting animal charities through automatic crypto donations. Niche appeal with growing interest. How to approach these cryptos. Assess use case and fundamentals. Enterprise tokens offer more stability. Check tokenomics. Consider total supply, vesting schedules, and decentralization. Diversify and limit exposure. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Monitor upgrades and partnerships. Tech and adoption drive value. Be cautious with hype, especially for meme tokens and celebrity-endorsed coins. Final thoughts, these sub-£1 cryptos offer exciting opportunities, especially in the utility and infrastructure space. Whether you're drawn to meme culture or real-world blockchain use, starting small and diversifying is key. Stay informed and always research before investing. Last tip, you can use Revolut app to invest in stocks and cryptocurrency, buy and sell in real time. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to invest in 2025. Comment below your question. I reply to every comment. Mindful Minds and Money subscribe vertical bar. New videos weekly.